Hi YouTube family, welcome to our channel. Today we will be making MAVI. In today's recipe, we will be using MAVI bark, spice, clove, aniseed, and dry orange peel. I will now make the concentrate for the MAVI. I will add the MAVI bark and all the spices in water and let this boil for 20 minutes. I will pour my concentrate in a jar to steep overnight. By doing this, the MAVI bark and all the spices enhance the concentrate. We would like to say thank you for your support by subscribing and viewing our videos. If you're new to this channel, I'm Veronica, and you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Always remember, subscribing doesn't cost anything. All it does is notify you when we upload our new videos. I will now make my MAVI beverage with the concentrate. In the Caribbean, we call it MAVI, and in the Spanish-speaking island, they call it MAVI. The concentrate can be stored in the refrigerator, and you can use it to make the beverage as needed. By adding the sugar, it enhances the MAVI flavor. You can add as much or as little to your taste. I will now go ahead and try the MAVI beverage. You can have this with a nice coconut bun on a very hot summer day. That's gonna go very well. We would like to say thank you to our subscribers and viewers. If you're new to our channel and you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. Always remember, subscribing doesn't cost anything. All it does is notify you when we upload our videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!